Hey guys, welcome. I want to welcome you to this 100% practical, complete Facebook and Instagram advertising training. Okay, this is Prolanz Academy, and my name is Coach Concord, and I'll be taking you on this, Facebook and Instagram advertising training. All right, it's going to be a 1 month training. You're going to be getting videos, you're going to be getting assignments, you're going to be getting support. There's a support group made available for you, which I believe by now you should already be in the group. And we advise or advise that you make sure to fulfill your daily assignments if you intend to master um, this if you intend to master Facebook advertising, if you intend to master Instagram advertising, then you have to take your daily assignments seriously. Okay, at Prolanz Academy, what we do is we equip individuals and business owners with the best digital marketing practices and tactics, and digital skills as a whole. All right, so let's dive right into what we have for you today. So at the end of this course, you'll be able to do the following. At the end of this course, you should be able to find your target audience and easily get them to buy your product as a business owner. Okay, remember this particular course is created basically for business owners so that they would be able to leverage Facebook advertising to get lots of leads and lots of customers for their products, for their business on a daily basis. So you should be able to find your target audience and easily get them to buy your products. You should also gain graphic design and video editing abilities at the end of this training. You should also grow your sales by doing successful WhatsApp marketing. You should be able to set up and run Facebook and Instagram adverts like a pro. You should be able to understand and maximize advanced retargeting ads. Okay? You should be able to design powerful landing pages for your products and services. Then you should be able to discover and learn how to generate 15 to 20 new leads and customers for your business every day with adverts. All right? So these are the major things that we are training you for. So at the end of this training, you should be able to achieve all of these things. And I tell you what, if you are able to master all of these things and implement them on your business, then trust me, your business is going to take a new trajectory from when you start implementing these stuff. All right. So let's get on with this. All right. Before we go into the practical, because basically this training is going to be majorly practical. Before we go into the practical aspect, I want to talk about briefly the mindset behind every successful digital marketing campaign. Okay, the mindset behind every successful digital marketing campaign. Okay, I hope you're following. Um, we're going to be doing something. Remember, our focus is Facebook marketing. Our focus is what? Facebook marketing. All right, that's our focus. So now I want to do something. Check this out. For you to have a successful Facebook marketing campaign, all right, there are some things that you must have at the back of your mind. There are some things that are very paramount that you have at the back of your mind. If not, you just be like every other person out there that just wants to run Facebook ads because they heard that Facebook ads would get them to probably make sales, get leads. They heard or they saw that people are doing it, and they want to do it for their businesses. Um, but if you do not have this mindset, now this mindset is what separates the winners and the losers, those that are winning with Facebook ads and those that are burning their money every day trying to do Facebook adverts. Okay. Now we're going to be talking about this mindset briefly. Now, I like to I like to point out, I like to describe this mindset as a physic, okay, a structure. All right. I like to define it as a structure where we have the head, the head area, like a physic of a person, where we have the head area, we have the upper body, the talk of the tummy area, the belly area, and then we have the leg area. All right, we have the head area, the upper body or the tummy, the stomach area, and the leg area. Okay. Now I'm going to be writing out some things and showing you some things so you get to follow me. All right. So this is what I'm talking about. Physique, head, belly. Just imagine the structure of a normal human being: the head area, the, the stomach area, the leg area. Okay. Now the head area stands for attention. The things you do with your advert, the things you do with your campaign that grabs people's attention. Okay. As a lady, one of the things that helps to grab people's attention is the face of the lady. Okay, the makeup, how she pins her eyes, or whatever she does with her eyes, how she curves her eyebrows, how she wants to use what's the name of that stuff again, that I don't know, that looks like an umbrella, the eyelid, eyelash, is that the eyelash, whatever. Then how the lipstick, piercings and everything, all of those stuff, just to get attention, look beautiful enough to want to grab attention, command attention. So that is what you want to do with your advert. You want to have that kind of a mindset that, okay, if my advert is not beautiful enough, it's not going to get people's attention. All right. Then your belly area, you want to make sure that your advert has a belly. You want to make sure your campaign has the ability to retain people that see your ad and comes into that clicks on your ad. Okay, you want to make sure that it has the ability to retain them. Then for journey or funnel, you want to be able to take everybody that comes into that clicks on your ad through a journey of how they would communicate, how they will relate with your business, and you in turn relate with them until they get to buy from you and buy from you again and keep buying from you until they become your lifetime customer and even refer people to you. All right. So a successful campaign is that one that is able to drag people from the head level of your marketing to the leg level of your marketing and achieve all of the goals set for them. Okay. So what are the components that makes up the head level? Let's quickly talk about that. The components that makes up the head level, we have the let me use yes, we have the areas of like eyes, ears, nose. Okay. Now these are stuffs that refers to or that relates to perception. Okay, perception. How people perceive you when they see you, or whatever, or how you perceive things. How you perceive things. You perceive things or with your eyes, your ears, your nose. Okay, you see, you hear, smell. Perception. So you should be able to capture or get people to perceive your business or your product in such a way that they feel it is very nice. All right. So, and to achieve this, these eyes, ears, and nose are things we refer to in adverts as creatives. Okay, creatives are, we're going to go into all of these details later. Creatives refers to the videos you use for your adverts, the flyers, um, images you use, the copy or text or message you write. Okay, the headline of your advert, and yeah. So that is it. So if you have good images or good videos or good flyers and a very good copy and a very good headline, you've been able to capture the attention of the people of your target audience. Having a good creative helps you to capture attention, and if you must know, the currency that is traded in digital marketing is attention or attraction. Yeah, the ability to attract people and get people attention in the smallest on the or the minutest, if there's any word like that, time possible. In 2 seconds, in 1 second, in 5 seconds, you should be able to capture the attention of people, or especially your target audience, when they see your advert. All right. Then another area that is okay, not yeah, the neck area. Okay, the neck area now refers to what we like to call lead magnets, lead magnets, and offer. Okay, lead magnets or offer. What you're offering them that will make them, I'm sure you're familiar with this word, long truth. Long truth. Okay, is a pidgin word, long truth, to the vernacular in Nigeria, that refers to when people see something that they are hungry for, let's say food. Okay, you see somebody, he wants to eat everything, they say he has long throat. Okay, so what is that thing, that component of your campaign, of your advert, that will make people long for what you are selling? Okay, it's called a lead magnet if you are trying to get them to your funnel as leads, or an offer if you're trying to get them to buy something from you. That is the neck area. That's what I like, or what we like to refer to as the neck area of your campaign, of your advert. All right, we're going to go to all of these into all of these details later. Let's just so the next part is the retention area, the belly area, and in this area we have the hands. We have the hands. Okay, we have the hands, and these hands refer to what we call in marketing word as call to action. Call to action. Call to action. No matter how amazing the head part of your advert is, if there's no call to action, the people might be confused as what to do after they've seen your wonderful and very amazing advert. Okay, they want you to tell them to click on learn more, or tell them to buy now, or tell them to sign up. If your advert or the head of your advert is very amazing, your creatives are very nice, and there is nothing telling them to do to perform an action on your advert, they might just be confused and just leave your advert, and that alone has the power to cut down the level of attention they place on your advert. Okay, so the hands here refers to your ability to call them to take an action to get into your funnel, which is now the leg area. The other part of belly, the belly itself, right? The belly itself, the belly itself. So now I like to refer to this as the landing page. The belly itself is the landing page, or where they will land. The belly of your advert is the landing page, or where they will land when they click on your ad, when they perform your call to action, when they click on that stuff. Where are they landing? If they click on that stuff and there's no belly, no landing page for them, they'll be lost. That is right, they will be lost. If they click on that ad, let's say there's a learn more button, a learn more call to action, they click on the learn more call to action, which is supposed to lead them to a website or to your WhatsApp. And at the end of the day, probably the link of your WhatsApp is it wasn't correct or something, or the lead or the link that you put there to your website wasn't correct. They will just get lost. They'll just be getting error or something, or this page cannot load, or this page doesn't exist, or this number doesn't exist on WhatsApp, and that is how you lose your potential customers. So we want to make sure that the landing page is available, okay, or a landing area is available. Then the leg area, of course, which is the legs, referring to journey and funnel, is how you now take them through from a landing page to where they now get to fill your form, where they now get to go through your testimonials on your landing page, the way they land on your WhatsApp group, go through trainings, go through whatever you have in stock for them, and buy from you that very first day, or how you're able to get them into your funnel and keep following them up on a daily basis until they buy. Now, it is a well-known fact in the marketing world that it takes 7 points of contact for a buyer, or someone that sees your ad, to make the decision to purchase your product. Okay, 7 points of contact. So from the point where they first see your ad, and get into the belly area of your ad, which is your landing page or your website or your WhatsApp number, your WhatsApp inbox. It takes like they might need, some people might happen the first day they get to meet you, they buy immediately. Some people might come into your DM and they'll be like, and they're like, I'm not ready now. I want to wait or I'll get back to you or stuff like that. What they are just looking for is they will just want some time to study you. They want to know how you're doing. They want to know the kind of person you are. They want to know if they can trust you. They want to know if there's enough reason for them to buy a product or if they should go for your competitor. So you have to be able to take them through a journey and keep sending them messages, following them up so that they will at the end of the day buy from you. So that is where the funnel comes in, following them up, taking them from one page to from a landing page to probably a main sales page where you get to close them to probably a video sales page where they get to watch a video of you trying to tell them something, trying to tell them, train them, trying to give them valuable information about your product that will help them to make the decision of buying. All right. So this, if you put all of this together, you have a very amazing campaign structure. All right. And when you have a very amazing campaign structure, you're going to have a very amazing marketing results. I promise you that. Okay. I promise you what? I promise you that. All right. So, um, that is, like I said, the mindset behind every successful digital marketing campaign. All right. In the case study now is Facebook marketing. So that will be all for this particular video. And in the next video, we're going to be talking about intro, like going to be going practical, creating your Facebook ad account. So I'll catch you in the next